Hi friends, welcome everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Last week you had seen me posting all the crude live trading videos, and there is lot of demand. There is this public demand to do the live trading of equity also, because many of you have been taking the equity calls, and there is a lot of confusion, lots of doubts how to place order, how it is useful for working professional, how the trades can be completed in 2 minutes. So all these confusions, all these doubts to be cleared. So that is why I got some 5 minutes time today. I recorded all the trade decision taken today and how I gave the trade. So if you want to know how to do all these things, how to make quick bucks, how to make almost 5% daily average, you can then just watch this video and you can also trade yourself. So this basically is done to prove that working people also can trade within 2 minutes. You don't have to spend too much of time in front of the computer or in front of the monitor. Okay, so people who are watching the video for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. I will be getting lots of videos on equities as well as commodities, both available in Hindi as well as English. So you can learn the strategies and start trading yourself. Any doubts, any point of time, you can just WhatsApp me. Don't please call. As you all know that even I'm a working professional and I'm suggesting helping all the working professionals. So any doubts, any queries, just WhatsApp on this number 8095876525. I'll reply back whenever I'm free. Even if you want any backtested file also, you can ask me. I will send it to you immediately. Okay, so let us go to today's trading session. I had recorded the video. So today it was Gail Futures. Okay, I'll just show from the beginning. So Gail was the stock today which we selected. So that is why I immediately start giving calls so that people also can place the order. So I informed, add Gail Futures in the watch list. Whoever are taking calls can immediately place it, and we'll be buying at the breakout of the high. Friends, what you have to observe here is always take at the breakout. Okay, so target and stop loss will be 1 point. So let me also place the order. Okay, buy, it's an OC order, and stop loss limit. Please don't forget to place these two, and target will be 1 and stop loss will be 1. I place the order. So you can see that it is showing as trigger pending. Okay, so this is what you have to do. That's it, nothing else for the day. I just placed the order immediately. I also gave the call also on WhatsApp so that everybody can place, and you can see there's a lot of sufficient time to place the order. Okay, OC order. Now what is OC order? OC order is, I'll show you in the second part what it is exactly. If one gets executed, other will get cancelled automatically. So that is the beauty of OC order, and it is very useful for working professionals. So now this is what you have to do. You saw that by 9:16 I placed the order, and by 9:17 my trading is over. Now that's it. I have to close my system and I have to leave. I have to close the mobile. I don't even have to look into my mobile. I can continue with my work, and whenever I am free, I can just open to see what is my profit or loss. Okay, so that also I have recorded. I'll be showing it to you. Yeah, so you can see that the entry price which we had given 340.450, and we had kept a 10 paisa buffer of 340.60. It has got triggered, and you can see two orders have automatically opened. I have not done anything. It has happened at 9:20. So we placed order at around 9:17, and at 9:20 the order is triggered, and you can see automatically two orders have come here. One is an open order, which is our target of 341.60, and one more is stop loss, which is a market order. It will be also of 1 point. Okay, so friends, what is happening here is you don't have to personally monitor every time. Both the orders have been coming automatically. So now let us see how it goes forward. Okay, so since I've got time, I recorded this, but you don't have to look into full time. Okay, so you can see that I'll open Gale. Our entry price was 340.50. Now it has reached 341. Yes, so you can see our target has been hit smoothly. I'll just go to the order history and see. Yes, so you can see one more point here. So what I want to like to share here is, once the target is complete of 341.60, the other stop loss is automatically cancelled. You can see here on the top it is cancelled. Yeah, so I have not done anything. All this is happening automatically, friends. So this is what is the beauty of OCO order. Okay, you would have seen, most of you would have seen bracket order in Zerodha also, same kind of concept. Yeah, so basically for working professionals, you can use this bracket order, or you can use this OC order. Okay, so let us just see the profit statement also. Okay, let me go to portfolio. So you can see that profit of 2667 has happened immediately. You can see that entry price was 340.60 and sell has happened at 341.60, and all this has happened without my intervention, without me looking into the monitor. Everything has happened automatically. So friends, this is how the beauty of OSCO trading. And if you want to use this Upstock account, you can just use the link which I provide in the description in my video, this particular video. And also, if you are joining through my reference, then you will also get 50% discount on my calls services which I am providing. And basically this call services are, friends, for people those who are not able to make money consistently, who are not able to sit in front of the computer. So this is called as an open trade. I am trading immediately, I am sending it on WhatsApp, and so that even I am also earning, you're also earning. Even if I am making loss, you're also making loss. So loss or profit is not the question here. The question is, can we trade? Can a working professional trade? The answer is yes, you can, and this is the answer. So even if you have any friends who are having this kind of queries, doubts in your mind, please don't forget to share this video. And in case if you want to take avail of my services, you can just WhatsApp me. Even additional services, training, all those things, if you want to know, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and take all the details. So friends, all the best. So today's trading is done, profit is done. So let us enjoy. Thank you and have a nice day.